Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Unbox and Review with Mithun Upendra. So I have a package which I received from Toonie Wheels. So this consists of a set of 5 Hot Wheels which is recently launched and I got it for MRP. I'm really happy. I paid 150 for shipping and the box, the packaging from the outside looks crisp. So it came from Blue Dart. Let's unbox this bad boy and see the set. So it is a Fast and Furious set basically. I'm a Fast and Furious fan. I want to collect all the cars from the franchise. So this is how it's packed. It's packed really nice. Alright guys, so you can see the MRP is 300. That means it's a silver series. And here is the first car guys. So this is 25th anniversary of Fast and Furious and it's from the Race Off series. You can see it's a 1995 Mazda RX-7. So a beautiful casting guys. So the best thing is it comes with the dust kind of detail because this is the race, drag race basically happens on a desert kind of a surface. So you can see the mud has attached to the car. So I really like that. Just look at the front and it's uneven as well. So a lot of attention to detail has been managed. So I really loved. This is something different I collected from the Fast and Furious. So where you can see the dirt and all getting stuck to the car. Looks realistic. And coming to the next one guys, this is the Honda Civic A6. So you can see the mud splash all around the car. So this one does not get that kind of a detail that was there on the Mazda. Just look at the front, and this one does not because the base is of the mud color. And you can also check out the tires. It comes with that muddy detailing. Nice. So the next car is Toyota Celica. So just look at that red car with all that mud splashing detailing. Looks nice. I did not have any of these 3 casting till now with me. So this is a casting I already have and it's a bonus. Honda S2K, the villain car. So looks absolutely fine to me. This is how it looks from the back, from the front, from the top. A nice one. Here is the thank you card from Toonie Wheels. And thank you guys. You guys are doing a good job providing us with the MRP deals. And I'm really happy. And the packaging was superb. And the last car, this was the car that I was looking to buy, but the price was too much. So this is Volkswagen Jetta MK3. So I'm happy to get this one in the muddy avatar. So this is how it looks. You can see the number that is written on the back windshield. That is awesome guys. So cool detailing on this one. So these are OG Fast and Furious cars and I really loved them and I'm happy to add into my collection. If you ask me, my personal favorite is going to be these two. So the Jetta and the Mazda RX-7. Alright guys, thank you for watching and I'm going to post more content regarding the Hot Wheels if you want. If you are into diecast collection, please do follow my account and support me. I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, ciao. One more update guys. So the Honda Civic is kind of a chase piece because it comes with a metal bottom. We cannot really call it as a chase, but this is the one that comes with metal bottom but does not come with the real rider's wheels though.